glad the wheels aren't in any further than what they are. Should have pressure washed all of this. That was pretty stupid that I didn't do that. I can turn that, just pop that pin out. Okay, we might be up to something here now. Oh yeah, yes we are. You dirty, dirty, dirty dog. Those are the guts. It's time for a cleanup session and a regroup. Here is what I do have going on. It's the old park Pawl. She's looking a little bit worn. You see she's worn right there. Here's the spring that was in it. You can just kind of see that this spring has been compressed a time or two. Here's another used one. Looks about the same. Not very good. I have a new one here. Oh, wow. So that's a new one. It's at least a coil taller. So that's a good deal. It's like she's coming out in pieces. Yep. These are chunks of the roll pin, so that there could have played a very big role in the failure that we're looking at here. That's why we got a brand new roll pin here. Yeah. Lock up my pin right here. Lock up my pin under here. Just go through. Yeah, just like so. And I think if I push that over there, I should be able to press it down. Hold it like so. So, the ultimate plan here. See if I pin through. Here, sit back. On this tube. No, take it open. Plan here. This tube. Put something right there. To keep the part in its position. That would help me get back in track. Yeah, like that. Kinda got a feeling that that should work. Right? All right, neat. Wow, okay. That's very close. Just can't quite get it. Let's see it. Oh my gosh. thing is that really not those words there, but just gonna run on my face. I'm gonna fix all my permits. One of the absentee ones. Take this. Or break that big line loose. Seem cool. Yeah, I should have pulled the pressure washer this time. It's better. Really know what I was getting into it. So let's use that thing. Alright, I'm going to do everything back here. That feels much better. All right, let's end the video there. If there's any issues, I'll report back.